In a lush and enchanting forest, a wise old tortoise and a chatty little bird lived as neighbors. The tortoise was known for its wisdom, and the bird loved to hear its stories. One day, the bird asked the tortoise, "Why do you walk so slowly? I can fly swiftly and reach faraway places." The tortoise smiled and replied, "My dear friend, speed is not always everything. Slow and steady progress helps me notice the beauty around and avoid dangers." The bird was curious and proposed a challenge. "Let's have a race. If I win, you will have to tell me the greatest story, and if you win, I promise to listen to your advice." The tortoise agreed and the race was set. On the race day, the bird took off like lightning, leaving the tortoise behind. It flew high and felt invisible. As it soared through the skies, the bird saw a hunter with a net below. Panicked, it tried to slow down, but its wings got entangled in the net and it was trapped. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving steadily along the way. It met a group of animals in distress and helped them reach safety. With kindness and patience, the tortoise finally won the race. The bird, grateful to be free, apologized to the tortoise for its arrogance. From the day on, they become even better friends, learning from each other's strengths. Moral of this story is that tortoise and the bird teaches kids the value of wisdom, patience, and humility. It reminds us that rushing blindly can lead to trouble, while being steady and thoughtful bring rewards and help others too. Thank you for watching kids. Subscribe and like for more videos.